Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Muhammad Nur Fajar Firdaus or short RV. I am third grade student from SMKN 7 Samarinda in RPL or Software Major. The topic that I will bring will be how does a pandemic change our lives? We've been living under dreadful pandemic that is coronavirus since 3 years ago. The world is getting sick and sicker as the virus spread faster than ever. COVID-19, or what we usually call coronavirus, is a family of viruses that cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases, such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS-CoV, and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, SARS-CoV. Its first case was on December 31st, 2019, when World Health Organization, or WHO, received an information about a pneumonia case that happened in city of Wuhan, Hubei Province, China. And then on January 7, 2020, Chinese authority confirmed to have identified new virus, that is corona, which is similar to SARS and MERS virus. At that time, there has been 2,000 cases of virus infection, even reaching outside of Hubei province. Fast forward to current year 2021, the case has already reached hundreds of millions of people. The pandemic affects our life down into drastic measure. Before the pandemic, we would go around freely without having to wear a mask and keep a certain amount of distance people to people. We will go to school and talk directly to our friends without having to open smartphone and tap the meeting app. There are people who often break the rule and cause so much trouble to others. There are a lot of reasons for that. These people usually see fake news about COVID, propagandas, fake claims, and conspiracy theories. Because of that, they didn't trust the official news and act as they were before the pandemic. Take an example in India. On July 5, 2021, corona cases in India has reached the highest level in the world, causing a much greater deal in pandemic. Why is that happening? Because the people of India was holding a mass gathering without following strict health protocols. The internet is both bad and good place when it comes to news about pandemic. Oftentimes, will always be someone who don't believe about the severity of the situation, even after seeing the official news, and then found an untrusted source of media and stick to it. Most popular examples are vaccines don't work, vaccines make you magnetic, the vaccines create another COVID-19 variants, government implanted a microchip in the vaccines, and so on and so on. These myths and theories actually exist. And unfortunately, a lot of people seem to believe in it, which is why you should stick to the official news, even if it's really hard for you to do it. Now that we are in a great pandemic, trying our best to live a healthy life, we should follow what is best, that is to follow the rule and protocol for other safety and your own safety. Put your mask on when you're outdoor, use hand sanitizer before leaving and entering your house. Keep your distance 6 feet away from people, and avoid excessive physical contact with others. That's all I have to say for my speech. I apologize if some of the words I said were inappropriate. Thank you for your attention. Farewell.